Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you need to connect Insightly to QuickBooks? This guide will walk you throughout the steps to integrate these platforms, allowing seamless synchronization of your financial data. Follow along to connect Insightly with QuickBooks. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first thing first guys, you have to go ahead and open insightly.com. This is the website. This is where you have to click. Then go ahead and click on login right through here and you will be able to connect it to your website. But make sure that you are logged into your account, just like I'm doing right now. After you do so, you will have to put your information that you didn't do already, such as the name of your organization and the phone number, just to confirm your identity. You can skip it just by using F12 and simply clicking on delete button on your keyboard, and that will help you to delete these boxes just like that, and there we go, you are free to go now. So next thing, to actually get the access to your settings and basically get the integration page, you have to simply click on your profile, then click on system settings. They will take you to the system settings where there will be a full list of options. You simply have to go all the way down to the bottom and go to integrations and go to integration list. After that, you will find here the Intuit QuickBooks. Simply click here, install. And as you can see, this integration is not currently installed. You simply have to click on this button right here, connect to QuickBooks, and just like that you will be able to actually get the access to your QuickBooks account. Simply just sign into your account, put your password, connect into it, and text a code here. They will send you like a phone number, a code into your phone number. It's simply pretty simple. You just have to wait for the code to be received. Let me just put it right here. So 704825, and that's pretty much it. So what to do next is basically just tell your email looks good. And just like that we have connected to our account in QuickBooks. And let's go here. As you can see, first you will need to create a company to use with your app and on Insightly. So let's create here like the company, create company. And now we have to wait a little bit. Wait a bit more. It can take a few seconds into a few minutes depending on your internet connection and of course the server the server quality. Then go up right here, click on connect. And as you can see here, the integration has been made successfully. And now as you might notice here, let me just delete this again, just like that. Alright, perfect. So as you can see here, integration status, it has been installed, everything is good, and the integration permission is it visible to everyone or select individual people so you can connect it into. That's it for the integration. Now how we can actually use it or something like that, well, this is like details. QuickBooks Online integration brings useful accounting and billing information to all Insightly users. With those integration permissions, once installed, a QuickBooks sub-tab will appear in contacts, organization, opportunities, and projects. From there you can view invoice history, overdues, and payments for a full picture on your customer or a project. Check out using QuickBooks Online with Insightly for more information and tips. Let's open it and then let's go to contacts and check it. And as you can see here, we have a couple of information. We have the sidebar here, and basically we have some couple of other things that weren't really here in the recycle bin. So here as you can see, let me just open leads, contacts, whatever thing. Normally here you wouldn't have these options, you wouldn't have all of this, and this is basically open because we had the QuickBooks added. Here the same thing on here, the same thing goes here, and much more. Now using QuickBooks Online with Insightly. With Insightly integration with QuickBooks Online, you can view information from your accounting program in Insightly. Copy and link data between the two systems, create new QuickBooks customers from Insightly. The integration does not provide a synchronization between the two systems. Insightly administrators with an Intuit login can set up the integration by following the directions at connecting Insightly to QuickBooks Online. Once the integration is installed, the QuickBooks icon and sub-tab will appear on each of your main records. So let's go here to one of the records, and as you can see here, we have it right there. Now, as you can see, QuickBooks can be linked to organizations, contacts, opportunities, and projects. Organization and contacts. Open a contact or organization and inside and click the QuickBooks icon. This will trigger an automatic search for a matching organization by name or contact by name or email address in your QuickBooks Online records. If Insightly doesn't find a match in QuickBooks, type a name in the search box and click search. Tip: if a matching customer is not found in QuickBooks, you can create one without leaving the Insightly page by clicking New Customer. This function doesn't add vendors-only customers. As you can see here, this is how it works. When a match is found, click Add Link. Insightly will display an overview from QuickBooks, including contact information and the financial summary. From the Actions menu in the Sub tab, you can unlock the current record to remove the accounting information from this Insightly record, copy basic information like address, phone, fax numbers, email address, and website addresses from one system into the other. View the linked QuickBooks item in a new tab, as you can see right here. So unlock, copy, and view. 5. Below the overview, Insightly will list estimates, invoices, and payments. Select an option from the show list to filter the displayed items. If you have an issue with login and want to see the details of your of a transaction or modify it, click the View button to log into QuickBooks. Now for opportunities and projects. Opportunities and projects will display invoices, payments, and estimate that you have directly on or indirectly linked to the record. Direct links are items that you have searched and selected from QuickBooks Online, and indirect Insightly links are items related to the contacts and organizations that the current record is linked to. Linking QuickBooks to records directly. You can do this simply since opportunities and projects do not include contact information. You can link specific QuickBooks records based on invoice dates, payment dates, estimate dates, or document numbers. Select the invoice actions, payments actions, or estimate actions menu. Then choose to find the options. As you can see, this is a full article that explains it. For example, enter documents. Like there is here full detail about the use cases of QuickBooks with Insightly. So you can literally learn a lot from this, learn exactly what you are expecting from it, and a lot of things that you might not know about. In case you would like to make an automation, you can do that as well, but it has to be through another app which is called Zapier. Zapier is a third app party that will basically automate two apps together. For example, you want to automate a task between QuickBooks and Insightly, you can go to Zapier, go to apps, and connect both apps in Zapier. So for example, first in Insightly, as you can see here, we have this account, test connection, and it has been done successfully. The same thing has to be done, but now with QuickBooks. So go search for QuickBooks. As you might notice here, it might not be found. QuickBooks connected, just like that. Okay, and go to quickbooks.com or commerce depending on your version and connect it as well. Create a zap and basically do a trigger in an action, and just like that you will be even able to create an automation between Insightly and QuickBooks, and at the same time connecting them together throughout the integration system. So you have now both things working together forward and back. And that's pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do have any more questions, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section, and see you guys in the next tutorial.